So
Dah masuk politik.
dah masuk politik dah termasuk politik dah.
But politics is a good talk.
Yeah.
It is a good topic kerana it just shows how much we care.
Yeah.
I mean,
Sebelum tu
I can look the other way.
Tuanku, saya nak tanya soalan asas. Tuanku, are you allowed to talk about politics? Sebab kita,
Why am I
kita
not allowed?
dibiasakan.
Okay, I know,
Cakap,
but why?
Raja ni above politics.
I know, but why am I not allowed to talk about politics?
Tak adalah, patut ingat this is some convention di kalangan raja, jangan sentuh politik, raja
For
above
me,
politics.
no, jangan get involved in politics. Tetapi dalam segi pengetahuan ataupun pandangan, it's okay. I mean, I'm also a citizen of this country. Kenapa orang lain boleh bercakap dengan pandangan mereka, memberi pandangan mereka dengan situasi politik, tetapi saya tidak boleh? So for me, I don't agree with that. Dan sistem beraja ni, kalau kita tengok pun ada deliver ataupun provide check and balance towards political situation in the country juga. And I feel that is very, very important because tak semua democracy works. Not in, you can see some country works, but mostly it doesn't. You can see in the Middle East. Tengok negara-negara di Middle East yang mana yang tak ada raja. Bandingkan dengan yang ada raja. You can see it is more stable. It is, dalam segi economy or policy in that sense. So for me, yes, it is important kerana kita provide a lot of check and balance. That is my opinion. Tetapi when we give pandangan, kalau you have your rights, orang lain pun ada hak masing-masing, saya rasa saya tak patut dikecualikan. Saya pun ada hak juga untuk memberi pandangan ke ataupun idea ataupun what's my take on politics. And saya tak pernah rasa kekok ataupun takut nak cakap soal politik. Because before, kalau kita tengok in the generation yang lebih raja-raja yang lebih lama, of course it's like a taboo to speak about politics, because we're supposed to be above politics. Yes, we are above politics, tetapi you must also understand politicians serve the people. Apabila you see certain things not happening and di mana rakyat tak dapat that benefit, it is also our right to speak up ataupun mengingatkan ataupun memberi pandangan. So
cuma tuanku mungkin akan ada, kalau boleh Patik tanya, slightly delicate question. So, mungkin akan ada yang bercakap, okay, kalau keluarga diraja nak memberi pandangan, maka mereka juga perlu menerima apabila pandangan itu dikritik atau pandangan itu tidak disetujui oleh rakyat biasa. Is that okay?
But we have been, how long have I been critiqued? Anything happen? I don't see anything happening. So I'm open to be criticized. Saya open, and
Do you read the stuff, Tuanku? Tuanku baca tak benda-benda yang
sometimes not read all, tetapi of course we have a team that inform sentiment on the grounds and things like that. So sentimental punya studies, kita ada team yang monitor everything. Jadi I don't usually read all, but I think it is also important. Saya rasa mustahak untuk tahulah what is the current sentiment on the ground. And itu adalah pandangan saya. Dan to be criticized, I've been criticized many times daripada ahli politik lah, dalam bola lah, macam-macam. And I'm very open. But like I said, what is right is right lah. So rakyat boleh menilai benda tu berdasarkan dengan fakta, bukan dengan cerita dongeng. Tetapi kalau ada orang nak dengar cerita dongeng lebih daripada fakta, then it's up to you. This is where I say it goes back to education. Which is I feel yang benda paling mustahak that we lack in this country today.
Tuanku maybe address the perception. Kalau criticize tuanku lah ataupun kerabat diraja, kereta petrol car akan sampai kat rumah.
I don't think so, right? Jadi ke tidak benda tu? If you maki Amon and you threaten, of course there will be a petrol car coming to your house. But if you criticize, I don't think anything ever happened before. Tak pernah berlaku. For example, cucu atuk dulu pernah criticize openly. Buat press conference lagi. Tak ada apa-apa jadi kat dia pun sampai hari ni. So banyak orang yang criticize and nothing happened, right? Unless ada ugutan ataupun ada memaki Hamon, which is considered as seditious. So that is within the law. Tetapi bila saya criticize, contoh apabila saya criticize, I don't think saya pergi keterlaluan. It's more memberi pandangan the basic asas. Serve the people. Serve the people. Serve the people. Over and over again I've been saying the same thing. Benda yang sama. Ingat, kepentingan rakyat. Kepentingan rakyat. Saya rasa benda itu tak salah. Itu ada cara saya mengingatkan.
Jadi tuanku akan terus vokal. Tuanku
100%.
ditakdirkan insyaAllah pemangku raja nanti, you will still be open and forthright.
I mean, if I see everything is okay, I'm not going to say anything. Saya tak akan cakap apa-apa. Tetapi kalau saya nampak ada sesuatu yang perlu saya memberi pandangan ataupun tegur, saya akan buat. Itu sudah tentu. Time has changed, YB. You know, time has changed. If you look, dalam senario dalam country pun dah berubah. So we have to go according to time.